Hello, Christy.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good.
Good. Thank you so much for joining us. That's so nice. I understand you just got back from a family vacation.
Yes, we did.
So, why did you choose a Royal Caribbean vacation?
We actually had never been on Royal Caribbean. We had went on a different cruise line and our kids turned 16, so we wanted to take them on a cruise for their vacation and they really wanted to go check out all the cool stuff on Royal Caribbean.
Oh, awesome. They do have some amazing ships. What ship were you on? Do you
We
remember?
went on Mariner of the
Oh,
Seas.
you did. Okay, very
Yes.
good. What do you think of your overall experience on
It was by far the best cruise we have ever been on.
Awesome. Good. Well, that was my next question is like, how did this compare to some of your other family vacations?
It was actually a lot. We didn't expect as much as what we got. So the shops were amazing. The cruise had so much stuff for them to do on from miniature golf to watching movies, ice skating. Like they were never bored. I'm telling you, we went swimming with the pigs. It was amazing. You actually on when you go to Coco Cay, they have a swimming with the pigs tour there, where you actually go to the islands and you get in the water and physically swim with them. It is
Well, you
not
know
you
what?
just get in for a photo op, nothing. You actually swim. It was the most fantastic thing I've ever done in my life. Oh yes, and it's completely different there at Coco Cay than if you go to like Exuma and do it. If you do it
Oh,
at Exuma, like they have mean pigs and they'll bite you.
oh,
At
seriously.
Coco Cay, they have this little itty bitty island that's only like a mile by 2 miles wide, and the pigs roam free, but they're like tamed, and they go in and they feed them, and they have a lot of interaction with them. So therefore, when you get there, they're used to people being around and used to doing things, and you just get in the water with them, and they have big like 700-pound fat pigs, and then they have little itty bitty baby pigs that you can hold, and you just feed them apples, and
Wow.
legit they swim in the water with you. You're on a beach and you get in and they swim around with you and they'll sit for you. And they have like a bar up there where they serve beer and like you can look out. It is phenomenal. And it's
That
called
is
Treasure Island
amazing.
Pigs. Mhm.
It's called Treasure Island.
Treasure Island Pigs. Yep.
Oh, well, they must be really good to you
And they weren't
because,
expensive. It was like $80, I think, for like 3 or 4 hours. I think it was like $80.
oh, that's very affordable. Yeah. And
Yes.
considering how much you loved it,
Oh,
and,
I'm
and
not
I
kidding.
like
I
too
would
that,
go back there just to go swimming with them again.
oh my God, that's amazing. They must be really good too. Like, I'm always concerned about how they treat the animals. So
Mhm.
if they can just let them roam free and they come to you and they're nice and they're enjoying it, like that makes it for me.
Oh yes, and that's how they are. And they, when you're there, they also tell you like you can go log onto their website, and they have like live camera footage and stuff. And when they have new baby pigs born, you get to submit names. So they have like uh, instead of Kevin Bacon, they have like Ed, Ed, and Eddie, and then they have like different funny names for these pigs. And they let you like on their Facebook page submit to be able to name the pigs on there.
No. Oh my,
Yes,
that's
and you get to
awesome.
watch the
You
live
do it?
feed of them. Yes, we went in and did it. Yeah.
So can I ask what did you name them? Do you remember?
Um, we did shake and bake, shake and bacon,
Oh,
shake and
I love
bacon.
it. That's perfect.
Yeah, shake and bacon. So
That's awesome. So
yes,
did everybody do it?
definitely have to try it. No, me and my daughter and my mom and my son did it. So there was only four of us, but they all wished they did when we came back and told them what we got to do.
I bet that's usually the way it goes. What about the two of you? I know your husband went on this sailing with you and some other family, right?
Yes, so we actually had the five of us in our family, and then we had a couple people from Florida, and then my parents all joined us. And us adults had a lot of fun, especially in the casino.
Good. That's funny. That's awesome. So you talked about some of your favorite activities. Did you feel like you got the full value of what you spent on your cruise vacation?
Oh, yes, really, the food was excellent. I couldn't have asked for anything better.
Oh, good. I'm so glad you feel that way. So let's talk about the planning process. What was your experience working with Lisa at Island Travel Group?
It was fantastic. We basically just told her we wanted to go on a cruise. We didn't really care where it went. This was our budget, and she worked so hard to find something that met like all of our activities that we wanted to do and everything, and just presented us with several different options, and it was just seamless, honestly. So the other thing that was really awesome about our trip is that when we were talking with Lisa and telling her why we were going on the cruise, when we got on the cruise, we had a surprise in our rooms that we had chocolate covered strawberries from her because it was actually my husband and I's anniversary. And
Oh,
then she got a birthday cake at one of our formal dinner nights and decorated the girls' room for their 16th birthday. And we had
oh,
no idea and didn't ask. And that's something you just cannot get on your own. That those are the perks of having a good travel agent. So
I'm so glad you had such a wonderful celebration. That's cool. So
yes,
both of the girls were 16, turned
yes,
16.
they both turned 16. Yes.
Oh, sweet. 16. What a
Yeah.
lovely experience. Do you think you'll go on another cruise anytime soon?
Oh, yes.
Oh,
Yes, we will.
good. Good. So you feel like you felt prepared from all the information we provided and stuff like that, ready for your sailing?
Oh, yes. It was, and we needed a lot of information. We're not expert cruisers at all. We had only been on one other cruise in our whole entire life. So it was a lot of information, but a lot of great information for us.
Oh, good. Yes, Lisa knows her stuff. Thank you so much for sharing with me. So, if you out there want to get out of town and would love some great advice for your next cruise vacation, call Lisa at 217-260-4501. We would love to help you create the vacation you dream of. And thank you very much, Christy, for being with us today and for traveling with Island Travel Group. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Jet Set Jen, and we will look forward to seeing you on your next vacation.
Thank you so much.